Hello everybody, Lee again, Ross Rod Shop. Just a little follow up on the loud noise coming from the Nissan Pathfinder. We're test driving it now. I'll just hang this out the window. No more scraping and squealing and howling. Get on the brakes. Don't hear anything. So we got that remedied. We replaced the pads, the rotors, and the calipers. Brakes are working great. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out rossrodshop.com. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Another one done.